This is UPR part number 2002-08. It's our Pro Series lower control arm for 79 to 04 Mustangs, but notice that it is actually offset in the bushing package. Both on the body side and on the axle side, the control arm is moved in. This is something that you would do to move the control arm toward the center of the car for additional tire clearance. Note that when you do that, it actually would have offset the spring perch, which is not something that we recommend doing. So this control arm does not have a spring perch in the stock location. This is going to be for use with coilovers, which would be back behind the axle. But this is a Pro Series piece, which means it's tubular Chrome Moly, TIG welded, has a 3/4 inch rod end on the body side and an aluminum bushing on the axle side to completely get rid of any slop or any bind or unwanted motion on the rear axle. This is a high horsepower race car piece that can be used on the street, and it's available at uprproducts.com or any UPR Products dealer.